What's up guys, Shane Starnes here. I've got the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and with a $1,200 phone like this, of course, the first thing you want to do is protect it with a really good rugged case that's going to protect it in case of drops or other accidents. Big shout out to SUPCASE for sending me every single design and color of their cases for the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and for sponsoring this video. We're gonna take a look at the full case lineup for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Let's go ahead and get started. So of course we have to start it out with the classic, the Unicorn Beetle Pro. The Unicorn Beetle Pro is made of shock absorbing TPU and unbending polycarbonate. This is going to bring the ultimate protection. This is the winner of CNET's annual drop test with the highest total feet, and it does include a built-in screen protector. So you're gonna get a full 360 degrees of protection on the iPhone 12 Pro Max. You can find this for about $20 by clicking the link in the description or by specifically searching iPhone 12 case by SUPCASE on Amazon. The Unicorn Beetle Pro is available in lots of different colors. We have this military green color. They also have red, blue, a very light purple, and a black color, all available for the Unicorn Beetle Pro. My favorite has to be this military green. I love the fact that it is kind of a muted, darker color. I love how it has this bit of Kevlar looking material there at the top as well, and then it has these little rubber rivets giving it a super industrial look. Of course, it does have an extra raised grip here on the side for extra grippiness, and it does have a little bit of SUPCASE branding. On the bottom here, you do have wide open speaker ports, and you do have a flap here to protect that charging port. On the back, you do have a wide open camera cutout, and then this does come with a kickstand for whenever you want to watch videos on your lunch break. So to install this case, you'll notice on the front here in the bottom right hand corner, there is a little lip that you can get your fingernail into, and then you can separate the top of the case from the bottom of the case. Go ahead and peel off this plastic, and then we'll put the phone face down on the screen protector first, and then we will go from the bottom of the case working our way up. And then finally we can remove the top protector. So as you can see here, you do get 360 degrees of protection. The screen is still super bright and vibrant even with the screen protector on, and touch sensitivity is not affected one bit. So that is the Unicorn Beetle Pro. So one other little bit of extra value that they do include a belt clip with the Unicorn Beetle Pro, so you can actually clip this to your belt, and the belt clip does actually swivel for ultimate comfort. If you're looking for something a little more lightweight but you still need 360 degrees of protection, the Unicorn Beetle Xo with screen protector clear case is probably the case for you. They did send out various colors here. I've got a light green, a purple, a black, and a red. My favorite color out of these, of course, is the black. I'm not too flashy. I just like things to be simple here. So as you can see, you still get the 360 degrees of protection, but the case is slightly thinner and slightly less weight than the Unicorn Beetle Pro. The UB Xo includes a shock absorbing TPU bumper around the edges here with carbon fiber trim for ultimate drop protection. This does include a built-in screen protector. On the back, you do have a clear scratch-resistant backing that won't fade or discolor over time. This does include an exoskeleton back frame for enhanced grip surfaces. We do have elevated bezels here, which are going to protect your lenses from scratching on various surfaces. Of course, all of these cases are wireless charging compatible, and this is still going to give you ultimate drop protection. This does include a military standard rating for drop protection. You have wide open cutouts for the speakers and the charging port, and a big wide open hole here for your cameras. Of course, you do have nice tacky button covers and a big opening for your notification slider. Go ahead and install this on the phone. Once again, you do have a little divot here so that you can easily separate the bottom from the top of the case. And then once again, we're going to put the phone face down in the screen protector, and then we will start from the bottom and work our way towards the top. We don't lose any of the vibrancy or the color from our screen, and touch controls on the screen still work perfectly with that screen protector. Next up, we'll move along to the Unicorn Beetle Xo clear case. If you don't need a screen protector, but you still want that drop protection, this is a great case for you. So there again, this is going to be a little lighter, a little thinner than the Unicorn Beetle Pro. This is the exact same case that we just looked at, except minus the screen protector. So to install this one, you would just slip it on like so. And this has the same exact design, the same exact exoskeleton on the back for extra grip, the same carbon fiber wrapping on the sides, the same nice and tactile button covers, and the same wide open ports, just like on the Xo with the screen protector. And then the colors that they sent me here were blue, purple, and red. There again, I do prefer the black. If you're looking for a minimalist design that's super lightweight, that's still gonna bring lots of drop protection, you're probably gonna go for the UB style case. So this is the Unicorn Beetle style slim clear case. These cases have been drop tested at 15 feet and certified by Met Labs. They include a scratch resistant polycarbonate TPU bumper all the way around the edge here. You also get raised bezels to keep the screen and lens free of scratches. So both the front and around the camera give you the raised bezels. You do get precise cutouts all the way around, so precise cutouts for the mute slider and the charge port and the speakers, and of course the camera as well. And this case is MagSafe and wireless charge compatible. So of course, there again, my favorite color is the black, but they also sent out green, clear, purple, and red. Clear might actually be in the running for my favorite color here. I'm gonna try both real quick. So we'll start out with the black here, and we'll just slide this on like usual. All right, and this is the black UB style slim clear case. I actually really do like these gray accents here. I think that looks really sharp. A little bit of subtle SUPCASE branding there at the bottom. I like how these edges are flat and then rounded on the corners. This is a super clean looking case that provides military standard drop protection. I'm gonna go ahead and see what I think of the clear case. This gold is such a beautiful color that when you can let it shine, it's nice to actually let that color shine through. So yeah, you can still see that chrome gold finish through that clear case. So this may be my favorite case here, the UB style slim clear case. I actually love the fact that I can see this. All right, so lastly, we'll take a look at the Unicorn Beetle Vault wallet case. So we finally get a wallet case from SUPCASE. The built-in credit card holder gives you enough room to store 2 cards here, so maybe a driver's license and a credit card. This is made of shock absorbent TPU material with carbon fiber built in there, and the wraparound bumpers offer ultimate drop protection. Once again, you do have raised bezels to protect the screen and the camera lens. We have precise cutouts here for the charge port, the speakers, and the mute slider. So we'll go ahead and put the phone in the case and see what it looks like. Get a nice tight fit here. I think that looks pretty sharp. If you're into the wallet cases, this seems to be a really great option. I like the fact that it gives me a substantial amount of grip. You can see on the edges here that you've kind of got these little raised edges here. That adds a ton of grip to an otherwise very slick phone. And if you're worried about drop protection, this case does include military standard drop protection. All right guys, that about wraps it up for this video. Once again, big shout outs to SUPCASE for sponsoring this video. And I've got a ton of SUPCASEs here, so if you made it this far into the video, be sure to leave a comment below of which case you like, and I'll choose a few of you to ship some of these cases out for your new iPhone 12 Pro Max. Thanks guys for watching, be blessed, I'll see you in the next one.